Okay, so if you're having an issue with your notification delays on your Vivo phone, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you how to resolve those issues. So the steps I'm about to show you will apply to any of the Vivo X100 series phones and any of the Vivo X200 series phones. Can't speak on any of the other ones, but I know that this is how you fix the notification delays for those phones. Disclaimer, that issue on notifications is not actually an issue. It's just by design, Origin OS is set to have high conservative battery saving modes with your apps. And so we're going to have to go into the settings and make some modifications. So now let's get into it. So I'm going to go into the phone and we're going to make changes to three settings in different places in the phone. We're going to change auto start, high background power usage, and pause app activity unused. So let's go to the settings. Once we're in settings, the first one, you can do these in any order, but it's probably best to just do auto start because auto start will allow you to do a selection of multiple apps. So as you see, you can go to the settings app, click on the search, and then we can get to the auto start. So that's the direct way to get to this one here. Let me show you the full path if you're just curious. You scroll down, go to apps, and now permission management. Now you go to permissions and you'll get a load list here of device management. So now we see auto start. Clicking auto start, we're in this menu here where we're wanting to now tell, our phone, hey, I would like a phone to be, auto start enabled so that it's noting that, notifications come in the background. And as you see, I've downloaded some apps. In particular, I want to go down and show you Google Voice. So when I downloaded this app, it's by default disabled. So what you're going to have to do is every time you download an app, you're going to want to go into this auto start menu and go ahead and click enable. Now what this is doing is telling the phone that when I auto power it on, it's going to be auto started in the background. So that's step one of modification for notifications. The next step after you've done the auto start will be to go into the app manager. So we're going to go to apps, app manager, and then you're going to have to do this for each individual app. So we did auto start voice. Now we go collect on voice and you're on this menu. By default, every app has this enabled. Pause app activity if unused. Description says remove permissions, delete temporary files, and stop notifications. So you want to disable this so that you can enable real-time notifications. That's step two. The next thing you're going to do is go into the battery life, and then you're going to scroll down into background power consumption management. This is where you're now going to change the setting. Right now, by default, the first setting is enabled, background power smart usage. Description intelligently controls the power consumption of different types of apps. This can say power, but a few apps may have a delay in receiving messages. So this is another reason why when this is selected, your notifications are delayed. So we're going to change that to high background power usage. And that, folks, is how you are able to get more real-time notifications with apps. Again, you're going to want to make those three changes: auto start, you're going to want to go into the app manager, disable this, pause app activity if unused, and then the battery life, you're going to want to go into the background consumption management and enable it to high background power usage. Once you've gotten those three, you're good to go. You should start receiving real-time notifications. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and put some likes, comments, subscriptions, whatever you want. It all helps. I want to give you guys more tips, so be on the lookout as I'm going to make them as they come. All right, cheers.